Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by charging both AirPods Pro 4 and their case. This prevents mid-pair failures. Once done, open Android settings and enable Bluetooth so the phone scans. Make sure the AirPods case is open, then press and hold the rear pairing button until the status light flashes. This forces discoverable mode. You're doing this because the AirPods default to Apple pairing. Forcing discoverable makes Android find them fast and reliably. After the light blinks, look for AirPods Pro in the device list and tap to connect. Once paired, install a trusted third-party utility to unlock battery readouts, gesture mapping, and limited spatial audio features. Android lacks Apple's native support. Grant the app Bluetooth, notifications, and location permissions so it can read device info and show battery percentages. Then open the app and map the ear tip controls to your preferred actions. Set ANC or transparency toggles there if supported. You do this because the Bluetooth connection gives audio, but the app provides the control surface Android does not natively supply. Finish by testing voice calls and media playback to confirm stereo audio, mic routing, and gestures work. If audio is mono, choppy, or the mic fails, forget the AirPods in Bluetooth settings and repair. That clears profile mismatches. If problems persist, reset the case by holding the pairing button about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white, then pair again. One key troubleshooting tip. Disable battery saver and Bluetooth scanning restrictions. Those can break stable connections on many Android phones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.